Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. And this is a Mazda here. We're going to plan on doing a cabin air filter. Mazda 3. So, I'm going to guess. I don't know where it is at. I'm just guessing it's going to be over here. So, let's see if we can find it. On the downside, I'm not sure if you need to take this out, but I did. It's pretty easy. It's got two tabs here. Just kind of push them like this. Flexible, flimsy. I just fit up in these holes right here, and probably something fits on these studs too back here. Not a huge deal. And we have this electrical connector right here. Push this tab in. Ooh, that's pretty bright there. There we go. Push that. It's right up here. And we have two screws right here. Take them out. They're pretty small. Tab up here. Oh, look at that. Even got a little debris. Ugh. So this is what you're taking out to access your cabin air filter. Right there, that's the blower motor resistor to change the speeds on your blower motor. Put that away, get our new cabin air filters there. Let's see if we got anything in there though. Maybe it's empty. It looks kind of empty to me. How about that? So it's not actually empty. I was wrong. Just filming it as I go. It's right here. That's one of two. They're stacked on top of each other. There's one. I'll see how it goes in like this. Stack it, put it right there for now, and then the other one's up top, I believe. So there you go, and you can see exactly how I pulled it out. So you want to put yours back in the same way. This one's going to go in first. Foam up top. Check the bottom here. There might not be a this side up or this side down with this one. I'm not seeing any labeling. So put the new ones in the same way. Looking at this and where all the dirt is collected compared to this side, we can tell this is where the blower blows air this way from the outside. And this is how it was in the vehicle. So my new filter actually had airflow arrows, but again, looking at this, we got the small thin rail on the bottom top here. Right here is the thin rail on the top, the thicker rail, fatter, on the bottom. So we'll put the new one in the same way. Doing most of it. Very difficult to see in here, but that's where it is. See them stacked in there. So then we'll just bolt this, put this back in place, put our 2 Phillips screws in, snap our cover in, and that'll be replacing your cabin air filter on your Mazda. There's also a panel here. It's missing, unfortunately, but I think you just pull it out to access this area. Sorry it's gone, but not my car, so the panel's gone. Panel right here, pull it off. And don't forget to plug your blower motor back in. All back together. Little tabs to pull. Right there. Right there. And you see it kind of sits on that stud back there. So, all back together. Cabin air filter, Mazda 3.